Let me show you how to solve this question. Here, we are asked to solve for the value of p in the equation p raised to the power of p equals to 3 raised to the power of p plus 9. Okay, to solve this question, approach the question like this. We have p raised to the power of p equals to 3 raised to the power of p plus 9. Recall that if you have a raised to the power of b plus c, this can be written as a raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c, right? So I'm going to use this law. I'm going to apply it here. So the equation becomes p raised to the power of p equals to 3 raised to the power of p multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 9, right? Now the next step is that I'm going to divide both sides by 3 raised to the power of p. So I'm going to have this over 3 raised to the power of p and this over 3 raised to the power of p, okay? So I'm going to have p raised to the power of p over 3 raised to the power of p equals to 3 raised to the power of 9. Are you following? Now, do not forget that if you have a raised to the power of b divided by c raised to the power of b, this can be written as a over c raised to the power of b, right? So I'm going to make use of this law. I'm going to apply it here. Okay, so for this, I'm going to have p over 3 raised to the power of p. Do you know why? Because p is common to both power of both the numerator and the denominator of this fraction. So this will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 9. You can set this base to be equals to 3 and this power to be equals to 9 by comparison. Are you getting it? So by comparison, comparing both sides, we're going to have p equals to 9 based on the power. Are you getting it? And based on the base here is what? P over 3. So I'm going to have p over 3 equals to, and the base at the right hand side is also 3. So I'm going to have 3 here. P equals to 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. So the solution to the equation is p equals to 9. Do you understand? So that is the solution to the question. If you have any question as touching what we discussed in this class, let me know in the comment section, okay? Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, okay?